A new Israeli law has taken effect that implements the death penalty for Palestinians convicted of carrying out lethal attacks against Israelis. The law was initially passed in March and celebrated by members of the Knesset. It makes execution the default punishment for Palestinians found guilty of crimes classified as acts of terrorism by Israeli military courts. Israeli citizens are excluded from the law's application. Let's go to Nida Ibrahim, who's in Ramallah in the occupied West Bank. Nida, how is Israel planning to implement this law?
Well, let's first remember that this law only targets Palestinians and not even Israelis that the state itself considers terrorists or convicted of terror attacks. What Israel wants to do is to enshrine what it's already doing to Palestinians. We talk about extrajudicial killings happening all over the occupied territory when Israel just decides to shoot and kill Palestinians. Some of those who are shot and injured at the site of several attacks have been denied any medical help. Also, when prisoners are taken to Israeli jails, there is this medical negligence. There is torture that has been documented by several human rights organizations that leads to basically these people dying in jails. Now, this is a law that will give the Knesset members and give those who passed this law in the Knesset the ability to boast and to try and get more votes in the Israeli Knesset in a way, because we are talking about the crackdown on Palestinians, that always gets away with the voters, that always encourages voters to vote and to support these Israeli politicians. In general, we are talking about this technicality. Yes, the Israeli officials signing on the law that has passed by the Knesset, but that only raises the fears of Palestinian families here in the occupied West Bank and also in the Gaza Strip, as it shows to which levels the Israeli institution is intending to go to punish and to make the lives of Palestinians more and more complicated.
Many thanks for that, Nida Ibrahim, for us in the occupied West Bank.